If you want to read comments on X, formerly Twitter, on your PC, this is actually really easy once you know where to click. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to open a post and view all of the replies underneath it, so you can read the full conversation without getting confused by the icons. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, go ahead and open X in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look for the post you want to check. Now here's the important part. Do not click the chat bubble icon if your goal is to read the comments. The chat bubble is usually just a quick reply action or a shortcut to engage with the post. Instead, click directly on the tweet itself. You can click the text, the username area, or anywhere on the post to open it in full view. Once the post opens, scroll down underneath it. That is where you'll find all of the replies, comments, and conversations from other users. As you keep scrolling, you'll see more responses, and you can read through the discussion just like a comment section. If the post has a lot of activity, you may need to scroll a little farther to see the newest or most relevant replies. And that's really all there is to it. On X or Twitter, the easiest way to read comments on a post from your PC is to open the tweet itself and scroll down through the replies. No extra tools, no complicated settings, just a quick click and scroll. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.